Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve and unblur low quality or blurry videos footage inside CapCut. So, let's get started. Open up CapCut and make sure you have the video imported. Once imported, simply tap on this plus button to add it to your timeline. Now after you have this video right over here, simply tap on Effects and then in the search bar search for Sharpen Edge. Once you search for it, you need to go ahead and simply select this effect, then drag and drop it to your video. Now, in the settings, you need to go ahead and simply adjust it. Turn the blur all the way to 0, increase the sharpen slider, but don't set it too higher or the video will look unnatural. Adjust the size, filters, and etc. until you're happy with the results. You should now see improvements. After that, you need to go ahead and simply click on the video, then tap on Basic, scroll below, then here, simply select Enhance Quality feature. Tap on this tick mark, then tap on Allow. By default, the enhancement level is set to HD, but you can increase this to UHD for even better results. And after that, simply click on Export and then simply open the resolution dropdown. Choose 4K to upscale the final output. After that, tap on Export. Well, that is simply how you can unblur videos in CapCut. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.